Hello, hi everyone. This is a demo video of Expensebit. In this video, I'm gonna explain the features of Expensebit and how to use it. I've logged in through my Gmail account. After logging in, I'm gonna update my budget for this month. So here also you can set budget for categories. The next thing is I'm gonna add my last expense. My breakfast is 5.6 euros, so I'm adding that, so it gets added to daily food and living. Also, I paid my rent this month, I can add that as well, so it gets added into that particular category. Other than this, what you can do is you can see your previous month's expenses as well by category level, and once you have added an expense, you can go check this expense and you can even edit the expense and update that. Also, other another function is some people have like multiple accounts, also they would want to track their cash. So I have 80 euros in cash, and that's a cash account. I add that. Next time when I go out and spend something on cash, I can come here and say, okay, have you spent 4.5 euros on cigarettes using cash? Here I can select the cash account. So the next feature is the online receipts, second tab. What it does is it automatically connects to your email account and gets all your e-receipts, electronic receipts from Taxify, Uber, and Amazon in one place. So in the next update, we are thinking of helping the users to export all these receipts to their accountants for the accounting purpose. So that functionality is splitting expenses with friends. Using this button, you can add friends or create a group of friends where you can split bills with them. For example, I went out with a friend last night, and his name is Prantik, so I select his name, and we spent say 32 euros eating food. So it's paid by me, and it's a fair split. So I say select, and then it shows like how much he owes you from that particular transaction. So you can keep a track of how much money you have lent someone and how much money you owe someone using this application. So next, coming to the settings, you can even lock the app with a passcode, and you can change the currency, you can select language. We currently support 8 languages including Estonian. I hope you guys like the application. Please write to me with any feedback or your suggestions. Thanks.